So in like 2015, I was drilling water wells one summer and I absolutely hated it. And my dad was selling his acreage he had had for like 30 years, and he decided to get me to post the equipment that he was selling and stuff around the house on Kijiji. So ended up setting up an account, posting it, and I posted everything a little bit higher than what he wanted for it, and I was starting to sell the stuff and make a little bit of cash for myself doing that. So basically that's how Buy Sell Find came to be. I had for the first year and a half, it was basically grinding away, finding anything on Kijiji that I could find that I could basically flip and make a few bucks on. So it was like washer dryer sets, fridges, just anything basically I could buy, clean up, and resell and make $1. So for literally a year I was like this on Kijiji, refreshing, and anytime something good came up I would try to scoop it up for a good deal and flip it and put it in my garage, and that's basically how it came to be. And then fast forward I guess to 3.5 years later, and it's turned into an actual company now. We have just under 8,000 square feet of warehouse space here, a couple sea cans full of equipment.